recent pronouncements of the Martin Romualdez camp saying that recantations are detrimental to the case is very misleading for the public. The fact that there are recantations or that affidavits were executed to the effect that they have reversed what they said in their first affidavit does not serve as an eraser of facts. Meaning to say that the first affidavit will still be there, but the second affidavit will now be paired with the first affidavit to determine which amongst the two is actually the truth. So hindi po tama na dahil lang po may recantation, nabura na yung dati nilang sinasabi. Ang effect po niyan, ang legal effect po niyan ay itatabi po yung dating affidavit doon sa bagong affidavit. Ibig po sabihin, dagdag ebidensya po yan. Hindi siya nakabawas sa ebidensya ng investigators natin, kundi dagdag ho siya.